In this video, I'm sharing a brand new animated weather card for Home Assistant. It's part of the climate collection cards I'm working on, and it supports more than 20 different dynamic scenes, as it doesn't only track the current weather conditions, but also the time of the day, showing a scene that matches the weather condition at that time. It also supports a temperature trend, which I'll cover later in the video. The trend indicates whether the outside temperature is rising or falling, giving you a quick live overview. All of the YAML code to do this is completely free and linked in the description below. Everything I share with you on my YouTube channel, including the YAML code and dashboard cards, will always be free for everyone. Many new cards are first tested by our Patreon and YouTube channel members. If you would like to support the channel and get exclusive weekly content, along with early access to new cards and projects, consider becoming a member. The only requirement for today's video is having button card installed in Home Assistant. If you need help installing it, I have left a link in the description below for you. Once you have that ready, let's dive in. First, make sure you have a weather integration ready. This can be anything you want, like a weather integration or your own local weather station. My weather station is broken, so I'm using the openWeatherMap integration. Here is a look at other integrations you can use, and I'll leave instructions in the description below to help you further. Now, let's grab the weather card from the link in the description. Copy the card code. We'll get back to this template later. Back in Home Assistant, create an empty manual card. Paste the code in here. Let's set up the card. You have two options here. You can either use the weather entity, which will automatically show the available supported information in the card, or, in my case, I'll use the dedicated sensors one by one to show more info. If you would like the card to support more weather sensors, let me know and I'll update the card. The Sun entity should be already installed in your Home Assistant by default. If that's not the case, head to the Devices and Services page and install it from there. If your weather condition entity uses different names for the conditions, you can simply add them here, and the card will adapt and show everything correctly. To show the 24-hour temperature trend, we need to create a simple template first. Head back to the GitHub page and copy the template. Add it to your configuration file, or wherever you create your templates in. Here you have the option to use the weather entity or the temperature entity. You can simply copy them from here, to make sure you don't accidentally enter the wrong entities. Save the file. If this is the first time you're adding a template in Home Assistant, then you need to restart Home Assistant. Otherwise, you can simply reload the templates from the developer tools. To make sure we've done everything correctly, check the newly created template in here. This template will record the temperature for the next 24 hours to show the temperature trend. After 24 hours, it will start to look like this. Go back to the weather card and you can already see the temperature trend. For the next 24 hours it will start showing colors, indicating if the temperature is rising or falling. You can toggle the temperature trend by setting this to false, if you don't want to show it. All the weather values on this card can be clicked, to show more in-depth info and history. And here is how the card would look after 24 hours. If you enjoyed this card, leave a like and a comment below. If you have any issues or feature requests, let me know in the comments. Also, check out the playlist in the description for more advanced and animated Home Assistant cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.